Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jesus L. Ranches, 32 years old, with two children, ages 10 years old and 8 years old. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the third child in the family.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a helper here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members in the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 12 and 10 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing the clothes. And after 2 years, I work as a cashier in a gasoline station company.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check immediately the temperature of the baby and call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking and responsible and honest sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family and for my children's future sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my in-laws sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Making myself busy sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Usually sir I sleep around 9 or 10 o'clock and I wake up around 5 or 6 o'clock sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Around 10 o'clock sir. And I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Keep calm myself and take time sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to rent ban in Hong Kong?
Yes sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No sir, but willing to learn sir.
Okay. Can you sing
Yes sir.
a nursery song? Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir or ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am a responsible, hardworking, and honest sir. Thank you.
Okay.